Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 9 of the best ways to make money online in 2022 without any experience. Now before we begin, I would appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button below to support my channel. Let's get started. First is get paid to write reviews. So you can go to websites like getreviewed.org and get paid to write reviews. This website will actually pay you cash for sponsored reviews. Now as an added bonus, if you have a working blog, you can write reviews on your blog post and get paid to it. The only requirement is that your blog should have at least a score of 20 in domain authority to get qualified, right? Now, next is voiceover work. So there's lots of clients that are looking for people who can do voiceover work. Best thing is that you don't need any experience for this. There are so many websites out there that you can look into for voiceover gigs, such as Upwork, Freelancer, Mandy, and like this one, Voice123. So again, you don't need any experience on this one. You can even use your native accent. There are so many clients looking for a variety of accents for voiceover work. So just give it a try. Okay. Next on the list, that of websites that will pay you without any experience is look for websites that will pay you to complete certain tasks. So here's a good example. So allmydosh.co.uk. So this website pays you for every task completed. This absolutely has no experience required and you can take as many tasks as possible. So if you go here, let's take a look. So this one, so some of the tasks are actually very simple. So look into this one, Prime Video channels. So if you complete this task, you can earn £2. So here's the description of the task and here's how you can earn. Okay. So again, depending on you can take as many tasks as possible, and if you'll be able to manage to complete all of these tasks, you can actually earn quite a lot. No, and the best thing is that you can do this on your spare time, no experience required, right? So next on the list is selling your photos online. Again, there's so many websites out there, very big websites wherein you can sell your photos that you have taken, even stock footage. One good example here is Gumroad. So this website, Gumroad, this allows you to make a store and sell digital products, not just photos. So if we look into some of the examples here, let's go inside. Okay, discover. Okay, so here's some of the best-selling products. This seller is selling this photo, okay, a VRChat photo for 15 bucks each. So she currently had 743 reviews, 5-star, all 5-star. Same with this guy. Let's actually look inside. Okay. All right. So that's the seller's profile. And this one is even, selling an animation of a certain character. This one is selling avatars. Okay, so but basically, this is even selling a podcast. Okay, so basically, this Gumroad, it's not limited to just selling photos, but again, if you have stock footage, stock photos of things that you have taken before, you can consider creating a store in Gumroad and then sell your products in there, right? Next on the list is you can sell your blog articles online. Now, there's actually no requirement in writing a blog post. I believe that anyone can write a blog post without any experience. Now, you may write a little bit awry in the beginning, but in this age, with the help of so many tools online, particularly AI tools or AI writers, you can easily generate high quality articles that require minimal editing on your side, and you can still sell it easily. One good website to sell your articles is constantcontent.com. So this website, you can post your articles and then people that's looking for that particular article on that niche can make an offer for your article. So if you go into their marketplace, let's take a look what's inside. So you see, just look into any content or any article or any topic. Let's say pet. Okay, so some of the articles that's for sale regarding the pet niche. So 5 tips for choosing a safe and reliable pet sitter. This article is being sold for $50.58 by Dr. Christie. I would assume that she is a veterinarian. That's why the price is this, because he has expertise, authority. Should you get a pet insurance plan being sold for $43.06? So you get my point. So again, before you even reach this level of blog article expertise, it would take time, but that doesn't mean that you cannot write a blog article. Okay, there are even websites like Fiverr, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, TopTal.com, where you can easily create a gig, apply to clients that are looking for article writers, and then you can apply your native or your inherent style of writing, and who knows, the client may even actually like the style of your writing, even though you're a newbie in that field. Okay, so next is online surveys. You can make money with online surveys. This kind of making money online on your spare time has been existing for quite a long time. This requires no experience at all. So basically, for you to earn in online surveys, you can earn extra cash by filling up surveys during your spare time. Companies will really pay you. Companies are really paying people to participate in such surveys. This is just a way for them to help the research regarding consumers and so on. A website example here is Swagbox. So in this website you can earn gift cards or cash as you complete or participate in their surveys available online, right? So third to the last is mystery shopping. So you can earn online by becoming a mystery shopper. So similar to online surveys, companies are actually hiring mystery shoppers to shop at the specific locations so that they can get feedback regarding their customer experience. One such example is marketforce.com. So if you go here, become a shopper so you can get paid to shop or eat or play. Okay, so when you do those tasks, you can get reimbursed or you can get paid depending on the task that's being sent to you. You can do this remotely. You can actually do mystery shopping online. The reason for that is some companies, actually nowadays, so many stores are transitioning to digital or online. Some companies are paying mystery shoppers online so that they can evaluate the online retail side experience of things. All right. Now, second to the last is you can play to earn games. Now, with the rise of cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and DeFi's, play to earn games are gaining popularity in the way that it's like they're bringing the value back to the players. So some of the most popular are Axie Infinity and Sandbox. So Axie Infinity, you can actually earn money here, not really directly money, but in a form of tokens. So how this works is you set up a team consisting of 3 axes, and then you battle to another team which has the same number of axes. So whenever you win, you earn rewards in the form of SLP tokens. Now that SLP tokens has a value which then you can convert into cash. At this time of recording, the price of the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies isn't that good, but there was, I think that was last year or 2 years ago, wherein the price of the Bitcoin is at $60,000 per Bitcoin, and people that are earning on this Axie Infinity are really, there's a lot of people earning here with really good trading value. Okay, so you might want to try this one. And then last is you can sell secondhand items. So for you to earn money, you can definitely sell any items that you have used, as long as they're in a good working condition. Any extra items, any old items that you have, you can, if you think that you want to declutter so that you can free up some space in your place, then this is a good way to earn extra cash from your extra items. Some of the biggest platforms is eBay, You can also try Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and sell your item there for free. Again, no experience required. All right.